be respectful of one another.
Very good. We do not have time left, but I'm going to read something, and we're going to end with a comment that Bikash made when we were going back and forth by email, and this is something we'll leave the event with. So Bikash wrote to me when we were talking about this subject. Every drug sponsor faces the same question when selecting a CDMO partner. Should I choose an organization that is excellent at development to partner with to support the design and development of my manufacturing process and a control strategy, or one that is proven at the commercial scale? And it looks like Bikash thinks you can't get both. So there are decisions all along that we have to make, and we tried to come up with some solutions today, and I think we did. We're out of time now, and any questions that we didn't get to, we'll try to follow up on. I know we have to wrap now, so let's once again acknowledge and thank our speakers: Christine Feaster, Carla Noer, Aaron O'Brien, and Bikash Chatterjee. Thanks again to Ajinomoto Bio-Pharma Services for sponsoring today's digital event. Let me conclude by saying you just witnessed the kind of thought leadership we share every day at OutsourcedPharma.com. Thank you all again for attending, for being our readers and a part of our community. I'm Louis Garguilo, Chief Editor of Outsourced Pharma, wishing everyone a good day, and may all your outsourcing have optimal outcomes.